name is Cannon Fairbairn. I'm a first-year graduate student in the MA program in art history with a concentration in Egyptian art and archaeology. The focus of my research in Professor Corcoran's graduate seminar in art history is a mirror in the collection of the Institute of Egyptian Art and Archaeology. This early New Kingdom mirror is on exhibit in the Egyptian Gallery at the Art Museum of the University of Memphis. The delicate handle of this beautiful bronze mirror was made to resemble a papyrus umbel, or flowering stalk, that gracefully flares out and then droops down. If you look closely, you can see delicate braids and curved lines ending in tight spirals running down the handle. On each side of the drooping papyrus umbel sits a small falcon. On the backs of each of these falcons rests the large disc of the mirror, which still retains patches of the original shining bronze surface. The size resembles that of a modern hand mirror. You might notice that the disc isn't perfectly round. This was intentional. Slightly flattened at the top, the disc was made to resemble the shape of the sun as it sits on the horizon. This shape, added to the shining bronze of the disc, would have created a convincing replica of the sun. It was the desire of all Egyptians to join the sun god Re in his daily journey through the sky after their death, reflecting a belief in rebirth and renewal in this life and the next. As the owner looked into this mirror each day, this hope was made manifest as their face appeared as one with the sun disk. The two falcons represent the god Horus, usually associated with Egypt's king, but who in another form is called Re-Harakti and was associated with the sun. Mirrors were likewise associated with the goddess Hathor, a goddess of rebirth and fertility, who had a direct relationship to the sun god. Men and women in ancient Egypt took great pride in their appearance, and mirrors have been found in Egyptian tombs of both men and women. A mirror was an essential part of more extensive cosmetic kits that could have included cosmetic jars, a coal container, makeup applicators, tweezers, and a razor. Carved reliefs from ancient Egypt depict women using a mirror like this one as they arrange their wigs and ready themselves for the day or for a special occasion. The word for mirror is Ankh, a word that also meant life. The hieroglyphic sign for Ankh even resembles a mirror. It is possible that this association with life was because of the way a mirror could reflect the life of the viewer while being used. This combination of practical and symbolic use is what makes this mirror such a special item. For Egyptians, their mirrors served two purposes: a practical tool in this life and, eventually, a spiritual means to assist its owner in attaining eternal life.